Assume you have a robot that can do everything you want it to. It could be as simple as cooking your dinner, changing your bed, or even serving your water whenever you are thirsty. It could include something more serious, such as repairing your fracture or undergoing surgery. Is this anything you've heard before? No? We're not referring to Irona from Richie Rich or Grace Hargreeves from the Umbrella Academy. We're talking about humanoid robots, commonly known as androids. Join us as we reveal the most amazing and shocking facts about them. These are human-like robots that are not from a fantasy world, but are very much a part of today's reality. If you split the word android down, you get andro plus oid, which translates to man-like or human-like in Latin. Similarly, humanoid robots meant to resemble female humans are known as gynoids or fembots. Statistics Market Research Consulting predicted that the global humanoid robot market will reach $13 billion by 2026, before the coronavirus pandemic and economic uncertainties. While future market behavior is certainly unknown, robot usage is increasing. As doctors struggled with COVID-19, Chinese firms rushed to install robotics and automation technology. For example, a field hospital manned by robots, the Smart Field Hospital, opened in Wuhan, China. Humanoid robots are given by the Silicon Valley business cloud minds technology to disinfect, record temperatures, transport food and medicine, and entertain medical workers and patients. As the virus spreads throughout the world, many countries are deploying robots. Some robots can relieve fatigued nurses in hospitals and conduct simple cleaning and deliveries. Others can aid in warehouses, and industrial robots can help manufacturing organizations retain some output while their human co-workers are quarantined. Let's take a look at some of the most well-known humanoid robots in the world today. Nadine. Nadine was created in 2013 by a Japanese organization called Kokoro. Professor Nadia Magnanath Thalmann of Nanyang Technological University in Singapore is her inspiration. Nadine has realistic-looking skin, hair, and hands. Nadine is programmed to be socially intelligent, which means she can return a greeting, make eye contact, and recall every conversation she has ever had. So if you ever happen to run into Nadine again, she will know you and engage in conversation with you based on your initial encounter, exactly like a person, or perhaps more akin to a superhuman who never forgets anything. She has attended numerous national and international events, including meeting our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, on his visit to Singapore in 2018. She is currently employed by an insurance company in Singapore. Sophia. Sophia's appearance was inspired by a blend of the ancient Egyptian queen Nefertiti, the famous Hollywood actress Audrey Hepburn, and Amanda Hansen, the wife of Sophia's designer, David Hansen. Sophia has cameras inside her eyes that allow her to see. She can imitate human gestures and facial expressions, hold simple conversations about topics such as the weather, and even sing. She is designed to get smarter with time. She improved in 2018 with working legs and the capacity to walk. Sophia, who was programmed to work in fields such as healthcare, education, customer service, and therapy, has received widespread media coverage. She was even given honorary citizenship in Saudi Arabia. In November 2018, she was also named the United Nations Development Programme's first ever innovation champion. Junko Chihira. Toshiba created Junko Chihira, an android for Japan's Tourist Information Center in 2015. Junko is fluent in Japanese, Chinese, and English. She can connect with guests using a variety of facial expressions, and she is also fluent in sign language, which she uses to communicate with tourists who are deaf or hard of hearing. She is currently employed at Aqua City Odaiba, a shopping mall located on Tokyo's waterfront. Jiajia. In 2016, Chinese robotics researchers at the University of Science and Technology of China created Jiajia, a humanoid robot. Jiajia, like other humanoid robots on this list, can move her arms, produce various facial expressions, and respond to human conversations to a degree. She has long brown hair and a bendable plastic face. To make her more human-like, her developers paid close attention to her eye movements and lip synchronization. Their next endeavor will be to allow Jiajia to laugh and cry. Erica. Hiroshi Ishiguro, director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University, and his team produced Erica in 2015. It has 15 infrared sensors integrated into her eyes that can track any movement. She also features speech generation algorithms and facial recognition technology, which allows it to recognize different faces, She can move its face, neck, and waist, as well as make numerous facial expressions. But she can't yet move its hands or legs. Erica is currently working as a news anchor in Japan. Robotic Avatar. Toyota's THR-3 humanoid robot, first introduced in 2017, replicates the actions of its human operator. Much like a real-world avatar, the THR-3 has been updated for the Tokyo Olympics and now walks more naturally. As a mobility service, these humanoid robots will be able to perform surgery in the future while their operators, human doctors, control them from any part of the world. It can also enable carers to work remotely and individuals in need of support to live more independently. It is commonly argued that a human shape is advantageous because the robot can use the same tools and environment as a human. But one other important reason is that humans find it easier to operate robots in humanoid form. THR-3 development team leader Tomohisa Moridaira explained. Delivery robot. Ford was hailed as the first customer to use Agility Robotics' Digit in a production scenario. The headless humanoid is a fast-moving creature with several senses. It can move through a variety of terrains, obstacles, and stairs. It has the strength to pick up and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds, and can stand straight on one foot. It might also be foldable for simple storage. Ford envisions Digit riding in a driverless car and delivering items to clients, completely automating the delivery process. For the time being, the business will be testing how humans react when they meet this android. Research humanoid. Since 2010, mechanical engineers at the Iranian University of Tehran have been working on Serena robots. Serena 4, their most recent model, is an adult-sized humanoid capable of face and object detection, speech recognition and creation, and walking speed of 0.7 km per hour. It features 43 degrees of flexibility and dexterous hands that can grip a variety of forms. Serena is used by engineers to explore bipedal locomotion and artificial intelligence, and to lure students to professions in engineering. Digital humanoids. Digital people are wholly virtual, but have the appearance and behavior of people. Neons, AI-powered individuals with distinct personalities and appearances, are one example from Samsung Technology and Advanced Research, STAR Labs. These artificial humans are not intended to answer queries like Alexa or Siri, but rather display emotions, learn from experiences, and engage in real-world discussions. Each neon is computer-generated and does not have to be based on real people, and each can be tailored for a different job, such as a virtual doctor or a yoga instructor. Imagine what these scientists' next move will enable robots to be. Robots that can fly, fight wars, or both. Similar to real-life Transformers. What do you believe the next great thing in robotics will be? Share your thoughts in the comments box below. Here's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.